The Fresno County Preterm Birth Initiative Data Explorer features several data layouts to aid in exploring various topical areas. Click on any topic to open its page. When it opens, a pop-up window describes where the data comes from. In the Birth, Healthcare, and Pregnancy tabs, hover over the map on the left to see where each neighborhood plots on the graph next to it. Use the green drop-down tab to select different preterm birth indicators. Hover over the histogram to see more details about those geographic areas. Scroll down to see the breakdown of preterm birth by gestational weeks per region. The Demographics tab features interactive charts to compare mothers giving preterm birth to mothers giving term birth. Select an area on the map to see its specific demographics. Click on the category boxes to learn about these differences between women delivering preterm and term. And then click back on the map to see the differences of those topics by region. In the Environmental Pollution tab, we use map-to-map comparisons. Choose which information to see on the drop-down on the left, and what information you want to compare it to on the right. Then, for instance, hover over the preterm birth map on the left and see how it correlates with different information on the right. In the CAGNY and Facilities tab, you can explore information about specific health facilities by selecting hospitals or clinics in the map window, and then clicking on a specific facility to get in-depth information related to births. Each tab has information you can compare with preterm birth. We hope this website is useful for understanding preterm birth risks as well as ways to work towards solutions.